I said a meeting on
Namaskar, great morning, everybody, and welcome all of you. It's 7 o'clock exactly. Yes. I just wanted to ensure that the audio is audible.
Good morning, sir.
Great morning,
Good morning, sir.
Rudra
Good morning,
has said
sir.
great morning, so I can hear that.
Good morning, sir.
Great morning. Paramesh also has said great morning, and if you all can hear my voice, just wave your hands. Vijay Das, I can see Rudra, Jitesh Kumar Mona, Prakash, Jitesh, I've been seeing you.
Good morning, sir. This is Murali Krishna.
Yes, Mr. Murali Krishna. So great morning to
How
all
are you,
of you.
sir? Thank you, sir.
So kindly permit me, there is already 118 people in the class. What I would do is to ensure smooth program. I'm going to mute everyone off. Whenever you feel like asking a question, you all can ask me by raising your hands. So kindly permit me to mute you, all of you. So just wave your hands to give me permission, please. So this is for the benefit of everyone so that we can all understand the the spirit of the program. There is no disturbance in between. So great morning once again, everybody. I'm very excited to be here in front of you at 7 o'clock. This is for the first time I'm conducting a program at 7 o'clock. And I'm very so excited that you all have made sure that you are in front of the cameras. So namaste once again and welcome. So I will start with the screen share. This is a special program that is getting conducted to introduce the 50 weeks sales mastery course in front of you. So that is the main purpose of this program. So already 135 participants in the class. The purpose of this program, and this is exactly going to be around 50 minutes. And the last 10 minutes, we are going to have question answers also. So I've been doing training for the last 20 years now. Most of my training programs have been in the last 20 years, either a 4-hour training program or a 1-day training program or a 2-day training program or a 3-day program or a 4-day kind of an event. Sometimes I did a 1-year program wherein I would conduct a 1 full-day session every month for 12 months. Sometimes I did a 2 years program wherein I do a 2 days program continuously every alternative month for 2 years. So like that, most of my programs have been classroom kind of programs. And during these programs, I have noticed that agents get motivated. But this motivation is only activized, it's working only for a month or so, or maximum a week sometimes. So I have been listening complaints from agents saying that, sir, I attended your program, I was very motivated for 5 days, and after that it went down. Some people say I attended your program, I was very motivated for 15 days, and after 15 days something happened and the motivation died down, the education died down. What do I do now? So there is no such thing called igniting the agent to igniting the agent. Therefore, this program, what the purpose of the program is to ensure that all the agents who attend my training program, they have their motivation levels continuously stagnant for the whole year. Okay, so I would just like to give an example of a 1-day cricket match or a test cricket match. I have been seeing the cricket match, and you also must have seen cricket matches for a very long time. And during these matches, there are good matches, bad matches. You will see that there is a good player like a Virendra Sehwag or a Yuvraj Singh or a Hardik Pandya or MS Dhoni, and they go out and start hitting the balls, every ball for a 4 or a 6 and a 4 or a 6 and 4 or a 6, and the target is 350. They start very well, and suddenly India is down, 36 for 7 in the 17th over, right? So there are still 33 more overs to go, and there are no batsmen left. So I have been seeing that during those periods when there is no batsman left, they have to only defend or they lose the match. What we need to understand is if cricketers stay on crease for 50 overs, they have the possibility of winning. Same is with LIC agencies, same is with salespeople. If we work the whole year, the chances of becoming successful, chances of becoming MDRT, chances of becoming COT, chances of becoming TOT, they continuously multiply. Right? The biggest tragedy is we play aggressively and we suddenly, become out of the match or we become out. for some reason. And this is something that agents must, in agents' life, it must not happen. That is the purpose of introducing the one-year training program. Okay, so this program, is going to be every week we are going to have one class. And there is a saying that there is a, sight is out of mind. Out of sight is out of mind. And there is another Hindi saying, jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. If you're continuously in front of the customers, you would be in a position to get sold. By the way, this is out of SIGST, not SIT. So this is why we are introducing the year-long training program. This is reason number 1. We will quickly move to reason number 2. Every company needs salespeople. Okay. Now, salespeople and, insurance agents are the most important people in the world, and sales is supposed to be the most important profession in the world. Every organization needs salespeople. I will just give an example. I also give trainings to different entrepreneur companies. I have a company which is a pet water bottle manufacturing company. They are manufacturers of Bisleri kind of water bottles. So they have a huge market. They have a capacity to produce more than 20 lakh bottles every day. And they're not in a position to sell even 20,000 water bottles every day. So this gentleman was sitting in front of me and we were discussing. He was saying that, sir, I urgently need minimum 180 to 200 salespeople. I don't mind paying them a salary of 40 or 50 or 60,000 rupees a month, if they deserve that. But I want salespeople and I'm not getting salespeople. Now, this is the problem this gentleman was sharing. And I am here to tell you that this is not the issue with only this one water bottle manufacturing company. But this is the same problem that I've been discussing with hundreds of entrepreneurs. Every company's owner shares the same thing. The problem is, because of this pandemic, there are no jobs. People have lost jobs. And the companies are getting closed and opportunities are getting lost and people are becoming jobless. They don't have income. They don't have money. Now, this is one side of the story, which is true. But the other side of the story is there are so many job opportunities, hundreds of job opportunities, thousands of job opportunities. There are millions of jobs available for salespeople. But people don't want to become salesmen. Now, sales is supposed to be the highest demanded job. But if I ask you, do you want to sell your son or daughter to become a salesperson? The chances are that you may not be so excited about this possibility. There are very few people who want their children to become salespeople. Okay, even though we don't want to influence them. But if I ask you, do you want to make your child an engineer? You will say yes. A doctor, you will say yes. A computer software programmer, you will say yes. Internet expert, yes. But if I ask you, do you want to make your son or daughter a salesperson, the chances are you might say no. But the fact is, salespeople have the greatest future, greatest, that is the ultimate future. And every organization, my dear friends, needs salespeople. Sales is the most sought after profession in the world. People have not understood the real demand of a sales career. No one wants to become a salesperson nowadays, and people are changing every other profession except the sales profession. Now, that is the reason it is high time that we understand that sales is a great future. We should become salespeople. We should embrace sales as a career, and we should understand the sales profession as its greatest profession in the world. During the pandemic also, salespeople are the kind of people who survived. Software professionals lost their jobs. Engineers lost their jobs. Many other professions, even restaurant professionals, aircraft maintenance engineers, pilots, drivers, most of these people could not survive during this pandemic. But salespeople are the only kind of people who were unaffected. Therefore, we all must embrace sales. So the demand for the sales profession is the highest. That is reason number 2 that I'm here to tell you. So I'm a salesperson. That is reason number 3. I'm a salesman myself. And I was a salesperson since 1991. And I stand for salesmen. Now, this is my reason number 3 for this program. The world needs salespeople. Our country needs minimum 5 to 10 crore professional salespeople. And your future would be the brightest once you become a salesperson. Your future would be the brightest if your family members, your children become salespeople. Your career would be the greatest once you take up sales. But sales has to be learned in a professional manner. Just to saying that, yes, I'm willing to become a salesman, I'm willing to join LIC as an agent or any other company as an agent is not sufficient. We have to respect and learn the professional selling. There is no institution to teach professional selling. If you want to become a doctor, there are MBBS colleges. If you want to become engineer, there are, BTech, MTech colleges. If you want to become, any other aircraft engineer, there are colleges. But if you want to become a salesperson, there is no such college. Therefore, my dear friends, I want to fill up the gap and contribute towards producing professional salespeople to this world. Yeah, I'm sitting in front of you at 7 o'clock in the morning. But one of the fundamentals that I've been practicing today is I am wearing a suit and tie. Now, this is the fundamental that every professional salesperson respects his attire, respects his dress. And I've been wearing a suit or a tie for the last 31 years now. Continuously, I respect sales, and whatever I became is just because of sales. And those people who take up sales as a career would have a brilliant future. Therefore, I am taking this opportunity to create a platform for individuals who are there to make a beautiful career out of sales. So I want you to believe that sales is the greatest profession. There is nothing which is better than salespeople. Okay, and in order to make this potential of sales, the subject that I'm talking about, understand, I would like to, talk about Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is a son of one of my friend who's Ripesh Sharma, who lives in Pune. Okay, now this is Rohit Sharma. This is last year's photograph. He is actually 18. He became 18 last year. And after becoming last year 18, his father always used to tell me that Rohit is not very good in academics. He's not very good in studies. So he took up LIC agency in the year 2020. Last year in the month of Jan-Feb, he took up agency and he started going out and selling people. And one of the things his father told is, go and attend Rajesh Tagore sir's training program. Since childhood, he's been attending my programs. And his father told, just look at this, lifestyle presentation, sit in front of the mirror, practice it hundreds of times, and become an expert in presenting the lifestyle presentation, just like Rajesh sir is doing. So this is the instruction he was being given. And this is what is Rohit Sharma. And he started showing lifestyle presentation. And let me tell you that by December, he became a COT. Yeah, Rohit Sharma, 18-year-old, he became a COT, bad in education, and with 40 policies only. In the very first year, his first year income is more than double of his father's annual income, right? He has earned more than 30 lakhs. And more important than that, in the next 30 years, the 18-year-old, 19-year-old Rohit Sharma, even if he doesn't work, only for his 1 year's effort, his renewal is going to be more than 30,000 per month. He has worked from January to December, already earned 30 lakhs, and next 30 years, he would earn 30,000 per month as renewal. And this could happen only because Rohit Sharma, this is the transformation. He decided to become a salesperson. He decided to become an LIC agent. That is the potential of LIC agency. Now, that is what happens when you decide to work every day for 1 year. When you decide to take LIC agency as a profession. It should not be, I will try agency for 15 days. I will try to work for 1 month. But the problem with agency is you get motivated and the motivation is off very, very soon. So sales professional, my dear friends, need continuous inputs, not overload of data. When you attend a training program for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, there is a lot of information you gather, but that is not continuous motivation. So reason number 5 is continuous new input is something that you need to be gathering every now and then continuously. Now, the reason number 6 I'm here to tell you is most salespeople are not professionally trained. As a result, they go and sit in front of the prospect. and they are in front of the prospect trying to sell. Let us say we are all insurance salespeople. So let me give an example of insurance. So, let us say there is a gentleman called Manoj out here, and he calls up, he's an LIC agent, and he calls up a customer and says, let us say customer's name is Uttam. Mr. Uttam, I would like to meet you. And immediately Mr. Uttam says, for what? He asks. So when the customer asks for what, Manoj has to give an answer. And the answer is for LIC or for insurance or for family protection. And as soon as you say this, you either get an appointment or you don't get an appointment. Now that is the problem. Most salespeople, they fall into the trap of getting started with what. If they get an appointment, they go to the customer and show a particular plan, which is a Jeevan Anand plan, or it could be a Jeevan, Akshay plan, or which it could be Jeevan Shanti plan, and they start telling how this Jeevan Shanti plan is beneficial. If you invest this much, you will get this much of money. If you invest this much, you will get 8%. After 3 years, you will get so much percent, etc., etc. And then they start explaining why you should buy this insurance policy. Okay, so they follow a pattern of why, what, how, why. So this is reason number 6. Now this order that I'm here to tell you, that what, how, and why, this order is supposed to be a wrong order. So what is the right order? The right order is changing the order. Always going and attempting to talk about why first, how next, and what at the last. If same Manoj would have been in a position to talk to Mr. Uttam, and he would say, sir, I am here to meet you regarding your wealth accumulation. Or if he can say that I'm here to talk about Mr. Uttam, I would like to talk about your will. Now, will is something that Uttam may not have understood, or most people may not know what is a will. Or there are some people who must have seen that will is something that, you have so much of property, a 5 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1,000 crores of property. When you leave, you give that property to somebody, you write that property or write that asset in someone's name. Okay, you give your assets to someone. That is called a will. So when we talk about a will, when we talk about asset accumulation, when we talk about wealth protection, that becomes a big why. So instead of talking about what, how, and why, we should first go and talk about why a person should take up insurance first. Then how, an insurance policy would be in a position to fulfill his dreams. Why is something there in the customer's mind? And a salesperson has to be taught about exploring the why first. In this 1-year training program, continuously, I would like to be giving you inputs, teaching all the salespeople, LIC agents inputs every week continuously, so that you understand why, how, and finally, what is going to be productive. Okay, let us say, Uttam has a 500 crore property and he has 2 children. So we would go to Mr. Uttam and ask, Mr. Uttam, what would you like this 500 crores to become, after you? Who should get this? Mr. Uttam says, both my children should get it. And then we ask, Mr. Uttam, both your children should be getting 250 crore each? Or do you want your children to get 500 crore each? One child gets the entire property of 500 crore. The other child gets 500 crores worth of cash. Is that a better option, or division of your property a better option? And Uttam says, I would like my, my property to be intact, and one child gets property, one child gets 500 crore cash. That is a better option. Then you can say, in order to give both your children 500 crores each, I have 5 options. Option number 1, 500 crores worth of cash, for which you need 500 crores today. Option number 2, 500 crores worth of property, another property you can purchase, which can be distributed, for which again you need 500 crores today. Third is 500 crores worth of shares or equities, for which again you need 500 crores today. Fourth is 500 crores worth of gold. You can invest in gold. And as soon as something happens, both children can get 500 crores. For that, you need 500 crores today. And the fifth and the last option is 500 crores worth of LIC policy, for which you need 25 crores today. So out of these five, which one would you like to go for? And when you ask, Mr. Uttam, I just want everyone to know your answer. Out of the five, just unmute yourself and say the answer. Unmute.
Sir, insurance.
Last
LIC
one.
policy.
LIC policy. Now, the
LIC
moment
policy.
the customer says, I want to buy insurance, you get a 500 crore policy or a 50 crore policy, whatever it is. Now, this is something that can happen when, we talk about why. Why is because Uttam wants both his children get 500 crore. That is the why. And then you asked him 5 options. How do you want it to be happening? And you gave the 5 options. Uttam said, I want the 5th option, which is LIC. Now, Uttam wants to pay 25 crores premium annually for a 500 crore policy. Now, he is already agreed to purchase. Now, which policy or what policy is the best option? You can always say that. The problem is most people, instead of arousing why in the customer's mind, they go with what? So I'm here to talk about a Jeevan, Anurag policy or Jeevan Shiromani policy. The moment you talk about what first, you get defeated, right? You may not get a big policy. Therefore, it is extremely important that you understand why, how, and what this order. Now, what I'm telling you now, or what I'm sharing with you now, is something that needs to be absorbed into your mind in a detailed way. It's a very short introduction. So therefore, my dear friends, I'm here to start a year-long training program. Reason number 7 is 7 reasons. Salespeople practice selling in 4 different levels. And the 4 different levels are: level number 1 is called asking, number 2 is called telling, number 3 is called selling, number 4 is called educating. These are 4 different levels. So asking means an insurance agent goes and asks Mr. Amit Nagate for an insurance policy, or Mr. Gopal Deshpande for insurance policy. Mr. Gopal Deshpande, sir, why don't you take up LIC policy? Now he's asking. So this is the first level. Most agents go and ask for a policy. Asking is like just begging. Okay, sir, can you give me a policy? So asking. Second level of selling insurance is known as telling. Sir, if you invest 10,000 a month and for 25 years, you will get 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees or 50 lakh rupees. So you go and talk about the policy, which is telling. If you invest this much, you will get this much. If you invest this much, you will get this much. This is the income tax returns. This is the benefit, etc. That is called the second level, which is telling. Which is better among asking and telling? Obviously, telling is better than asking, but telling as it is not the greatest form of selling. The third form of selling is known as selling. Now, in this form, the agent goes and asks a series of questions. How many members are there in your family? What are your, names and, ages? What is your total monthly income, total monthly expenditure? Where all do you save your money? What do you want your child to become? How much of money you would need after retirement? What are the kind of assets that you want to buy? What are the liabilities? Like this, you ask a whole lot of questions. After asking those questions, you understand the customer's need. And after understanding the need of the customer, what you do is you go and present an LIC policy as a solution to fulfill his dream. Now, this is known as selling, which is the third level. So first is asking, second is telling, and the third level is known as selling. And the fourth level is known as educating. Here you don't talk about insurance at all. You talk about why a customer needs his family to be protected. Why a lady needs herself to be protected, why wealth needs to be protected, or why a person needs his family's future financial planning to be secure. When you talk about these concepts, what happens is you are not talking about insurance, you are educating the person. When you educate the person, he gives you the biggest amount of policy. Now, that's what I'm here to tell you, my dear friends. These are the 4 levels. The 4th level is known as educating. Most people don't practice at educating or selling level. Most people fall into the trap of practicing insurance sales at asking and telling level. Okay. Just would like to take a minute off out here. I really don't know whether I started. No, that did not happen. Okay. So coming back into the program again, my dear friends, I wanted to, whatever I'm sharing with you today, is it audible? Is it visible? Are you in a position to understand? Just wave your hands, please. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Anji, Anshuman, Srinivas, yeah, Adivinshu. Okay, thank you so much. Now, in order to talk about the conversion ratio, here is the conversion ratio. When you practice selling at asking, telling, selling, and educating level, when you practice selling at asking level, the conversion ratio is 2 to 5%. That means out of 100 people that you meet, 2 to 5 people buy insurance from you. When you practice insurance selling at telling level, the conversion ratio is 5 to 20%. When you practice insurance selling at selling level, the conversion ratio is 20 to 50%. And when you practice selling at educating level, the conversion ratio is 50 to 5,000%. Most people fall into the trap of practicing insurance sell at the first 2 levels, asking and telling, right? And this 1-year training program is a training program wherein we would be continuously educating you to practice insurance sales at selling and educating level. Now, the 4th level is called educating. In educating, your conversion ratio is 50 to 5,000%. That means every 100 people you meet, you will find that 50 to 5,000 people have purchased insurance. How? That is because when you practice sales at educating level, customers not only buy from you, they also start recommending your name to hundreds of their friends. As a result, over a period of 20 years, you would have found out that you have successfully sold to 50 to 5,000% people. Now, this is what you should be learning, and that's what exactly this training program is here to contribute to your life. The potential of insurance salespeople, especially insurance salesperson, if I need to tell you that LIC is about to recruit 40,000 DOs in the next 3 years, and already 25,000 DOs and 27,000 CLIAs. That means already 52,000 people are already there in the system now. And they want to increase it to 1 lakh recruiters, and all the private companies have minimum 1 lakh development manager kind of recruitment manager cadre people. So India at present has or going to have 2 lakh recruitment managers. And what do you think these recruitment managers are going to do? They are only going to recruit insurance agents, recruiting agents. And their job, in other words, India would be recruiting minimum 20 lakh agents, new agents in the next 3 years. And the danger is all the 20 lakh agents, they want to recruit these agents because, these 20 lakh agents would go and sell to the natural market. Natural market in the sense, these companies want the agents to go and sell it to their friends and relatives. That's all. Okay, as a result, what happens is you fall into the trap of meeting existing friend circle people only. Okay, a real salesperson never sells among his friend circle because friend circle is very limited. So you have 130 people in friend circle, and India's population is 135 crores. Which is a bigger market? India's population, 135. Which has more potential? 135 crores, second list. So most people fall into the trap of selling to only 135, and they ignore 135 crores. Now, the greatest achievement of an insurance agent is to forget 135 and focus on 135 crore. Because if you are successful in selling 130 to 135, you may not be successful in selling to 135 crores. But if you are successful in selling to 135 crore, unknown people, then you can easily sell to 135, your known circle also. Okay, so the greatest challenge is to practice insurance selling to unknown people. And this training program, year-long training program, would focus on making you become a successful, salesperson to sell insurance to unknown salespeople. Therefore, I am introducing the 50-year sales mastery training program. My dear friends, this 50-year sales mastery training program is starting on the 18th of January. And this program is going to happen every Monday morning, exactly at 7 o'clock. Now, this program would be of 1 hour, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in English. And again, this program is going to have for people who are interested in joining the Hindi batch. This program would be between 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. in Hindi. So every Monday morning, I'm going to have these two classes. Now, what is going to be? So this is going to be a year-long training program, and the schedule is for 1 hour. In this 1 hour, the first 5 minutes would be the introduction. The next 15 minutes is going to be looking at understanding people's feedback. What are the challenges agents are facing? What are the difficulties you are having? And if at all I have given some kind of a homework, I would attempt to check what is the progress about homework during the next 15 minutes. Then that is 20 minutes over. After 20 minutes, 7:20 to 7:50, the next 30 minutes is going to be the subject knowledge. On one particular subject, I'm going to give you all the 50 weeks agenda schedule right now. So I'm going to talk about one of these subjects for 30 minutes. And we're going to finish the program at 7:50 with question answer of 10 more minutes. So exactly this program is going to be of 1 hour continuously every week for 1 year. So continuous learning for continuous success every week. And every week you would be in a position to learn, number one, new concepts or new techniques or new strategies or new skills or new abilities or new stories or new ways of selling insurance or new learnings or new scripts or new systems or new processes or something new. Now, this something new is going to make a hell lot of a difference, in each and every person's life. Every week, I will be showing you some new concept or some new idea or some new strategy or some new skill, or it could be some new kind of a demonstration or a new way of selling insurance or handling objections or closing or fixing up appointment. So here I'm here to tell you that this is the lifestyle presentation is one of them. The second could be a retirement planning presentation. Another way is to talk about a concept called Kanya. Another way would be to talk about a concept called the peace of mind. Another way would be to talk about a concept called the who stole your money presentation, kind of a presentation. So all these are, then another way is to talk about a concept called would you be angry if I tell you to save money? This would be a kind of a presentation wherein you would be in a position to go and activize the customer's interest in you. Another way would be talk about the family welfare economics concept. Another way would be talk about the scientific way of selling insurance. Another way would be to talk about why mutual funds are not great. So like that, every week, we will be either telling you to give a demonstration, or we will be telling you to talk about a financial planning concept, or we'll be telling you something to talk about achieving financial abundance, or we would be talking about teaching you something called how to do or what are the steps to follow during the sale, or we would be talking about a new concept called how to make your money work for you, or we would be talking about becoming coach for the customer success, or we would be talking about another concept called retention of the customer or getting results from the customer, or we would be giving you a demonstration called the business kit demonstration, or we would be talking to you about a concept called how to become wealthy, or we would be taking to you about a concept, the Titanic, way of this presentation, or we would be talking about, a demonstration kit presentation, or we would be talking about the pillars of insurance sales, or we would be talking about medical kind of insurance, cancer cure, cancer is cure kind of a medical kind of a policy. So every week, I intend to teach either a new lesson or a new concept, a new technique, a new strategy, a new skill, or a new ability, or a new way, or a new learning, or a new script, or a new system, or a new process, or a new idea. So this is what is going to be the agenda. I would not be in a position to say all these things, the ideas, the learning that I have accumulated over the 30 years in 1 hour or 2 hours or a 4-day training program. Now, 4-day training program is extremely important. Brahmastra program is important. But at the same time, continuity of education is something that is going to keep you activized, right? If Rohit Sharma, 18-year-old child, can become COT in the very first year and earn 30 lakh rupees and 30,000 renewal for the next 30 years within 9 to 10 months of efforts, I believe all of you can become extremely successful and become COT, TOTs sooner or later if you practice in the right way, right? So that is what is the agenda. So I'm quickly just going to tell you the content of the program, and that is going to be like this. So the session 1, the program is going to be of introduction to selling skills, about professional selling skills. Here we will be talking about why professional selling skills, different uses of selling skills in life, sales as a career versus sales as an activity, art or science, is sales an art or science? How is insurance sale different from other kind of a sale? And why should you become a professional salesperson? So this is going to be the introduction session in session number 1. In session number 2, we would be talking about different ideas to sell insurance. So what is a concept selling? What is, why concepts should be learned, different kinds of concepts, and retirement planning as a concept. I was just showing you the retirement planning demonstration just now. So this is retirement planning. And, again, talking about children's future as a concept planning and financial planning as a concept. So this is going to be the second session. In session 3, we will be talking about different tools and visual aids. So using different tools. So I'm just holding one of the tool or different kinds. I mean, I have got a complete sales tool kit out here. So this is another tool kit. So I'm just in a don't know. So this is the kit that I'm holding just now, right? It has 33 equipments. So if I show you one equipment, this equipment looks like this. So in front of the customer, you are going to put one by one all 33 equipments and show the customer. So we will show them the story. So this is you, this is your wife, and are your children. So this is one child, this is the other child. If you're in a position to see this, just wave your hands, please. Whatever I'm showing you, are you in a position to see this? If you're in a position to see whatever I showed you just now, wave your hands. Okay, so by the one side I'm showing you the screen share. So this is a concept sales I'm talking about. Okay. So then we are going to conclude by saying how LIC is going to help them, or insurance planning is going to help them. So this is called usage of tools, and the purpose of tools and visual aids. So how does tool help you in selling? Why should you be always equipped with tools? Most of the agents are not equipped with tools. So they simply go to the customer empty-handed, or they go to the customer with a notebook. They don't even bother to wear a professional attire. Okay. And if I ask you, do you want bigger premium from the customer or very small 2,000, 5,000 kind of a? Bigger premium means 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs to 1 crore, 5 crore kind of a premium from the customer, or 2,000, 5,000 premium kind of a customer? If I ask you this question, all of you would say that I want a bigger premium. Yes or no? Thumbs up, please. If you want a bigger premium from every customer, thumbs up, please. Thumbs up? Yeah. So all of us want a bigger premium. Now, in order to have a bigger premium, our preparation, our knowledge has also got to be bigger or smaller. Most of the times, the agent goes with smaller preparation, smaller mindset, without even wearing a suit or a tie, without even carrying any of the tool, without any preparation. The agent goes to the customer. The customer mostly rejects. Even if he agrees, he would buy a very small policy of 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 premium. You go to a customer who can give you 10 lakhs premium, and if you come back with a 10,000 premium, it's a big defeat for you. So in order to become successful in selling insurance whole life, you should be in a position to number one, learn, number two, implement, and that learning and implementation should not be only happening for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. It has got to happen at least for 1 year. Now, this program is not going to end at the end of 1 year. I'm going to continuously make this program available to you for the next 3 years. That is the idea. So it is going to be a minimum 3-year program. At present, I'm showing you the first year content. So session number 3 is tool demonstration and visual aid demonstration, and different uses and applications of tools is something that we'll be talking about. In session number 4, we would be talking about prospecting, 2 jobs of a sales professional, why, where do most people focus and why, known people or unknown people. Prospecting as an integral part of selling is something that we'll be talking there. Prospecting every day and prospecting in new ways, different kinds of prospecting tools. And there is a concept called skyroot prospecting is something that we will be learning. In session number 5, we will be learning about telephone appointment. And here we will have an introduction to telephone appointment, how should it be used, what is telephone, where should it be used, basics of telephone calling, introduction script to telephones, and essentials of fixing up appointment, and needs for developing skills is something that we will be talking about 5. And number 6, session number 6, we will be talking about cold calling. Now, why cold calling is the best form of prospecting and applications of cold calling, fundamentals of cold calling, getting the breakthrough, mentally being ready to do cold calling, and continuity in cold calling. And cold calling as generating tool for prospects is something that we will be talking about. In session number 7, we will talk about, we will learn mental, physical, and emotional preparation, mental, physical, and giving options and maintaining diary for appointments and being systematic while doing cold calling is something that we'll talk about in session number 7. In 8, we'll talk about, once again, visual aid application for cold calling. What kind of visual aid is going to be the right kind of a visual aid, because visual aids are going to be used, number 1, for cold calling also, and we can use the same visual aid for closing also. So for presentation also, we can use a visual aid. So what kind of a visual aid you should be using for cold calling, what kind of a visual aid you should be using for presentation, and what kind of a visual aid you should be using for closing is something that we will be presenting. So agenda of a cold call, why the cold call's objective, should be achieved, on evaluating whether it is achieved or not is something that we will learn in session number 8. Session number 9, we are going to talk about lead generation as a concept, how to get 1,000 leads and 2 primary jobs of a salesperson, lead generation and selling, and which is the most focus area for most salespeople. Why do they fail to focus on lead generation and prospecting, and the mental transformation that you need to attain in order to become a professional salesperson is going to be the subject that we'll cover in session number 9. And session number 10, we will talk about 8 steps of insurance selling or professional insurance selling. That is suspecting, prospecting, appointment meeting, probing, presentation, follow-up, and closing. We will talk about that. And 11, we will be talking about suspecting skills. And session number 12, we will be talking about prospecting skills. And number 13, we will be talking about fixing appointments. And again, number 14, we will be talking about the level 5 skill development and objection handling. And that is why it is said that the God has given us 1 mouth and 2 ears. It is to listen the double and speak half, and that's the opposite of what most people do whole life. And we will be learning about skill to listen to the customer and understand what he's saying and what he's not saying. And in session number 15, we'll be talking about meeting with the customer and an attitude that we're going to develop in this session, saying that losing a sale is okay, but losing a customer is not. Right, that is going to be the content for number 15. Number 16, we will learn about how to open a call professionally, the professional steps of introducing the agenda, sticking to the agenda, and not getting carried away from the agenda. And number 17, we'll talk about stories of insurance sales subject opening, and the 3F formula, the Hiram Smith story, the family, finance, future. We'll be talking about all that. And number 18, we'll be talking about probing the insurance, the prospect. art of asking the right kind of questions and how to probe, what to probe will something that we'll learn in session number 18. In 19, we'll talk about usage of register. And in 20, session number 20, we'll talk about something called summarizing and how to summarize. And in 21, we'll be talking about need identification and need clarification. How to do that exactly is something. And number 22, we will be learning about concept selling once again in front of the prospect, how to use different concepts, which concept to use depending on the customer's needs and the customer's requirements. How to make the prospect agree to buy insurance is something that we will learn. And session 23 will talk about professional insurance sales strategy. So something like economic planning for the family and the kamai, kharcha, bachat, nivesh. So here I would like to, we will be talking about the 4 pillars of insurance selling. These 4 pillars, something like 4 pillars would be, so one of the pillar would be called the creation of income or kamai. The second could be consumption of income and the conservation of income and continuation of income. Like this, how to keep these 4 pillars in front of the customer and making his family stand on the top of this. So this family welfare economics concept is something that we will be talking about, and then we will bring it to something called the happy family demonstration. There's so much content to cover today. I just want you to understand that there is so much to learn and everything cannot be taught overnight. I'm just showing you a glimpse of what can be covered in the program. So this is what is going to be session number 23. In session number 24, we'll be talking about the 3 bucket theory, the concept of asset allocation, safe bucket, risk bucket, dream bucket. And the session number 25 will be talking about the who stole your money, where your money is lost. Most companies, most families, how do they spend their money and what is the mistake that they do and how to use that money so that you are benefited at the end of the year and end of your life and taking care of the whole family. So section number 26 will talk about living benefit illustration. Number 27 will talk about lifestyle presentation. In session number 28, we'll talk about the demographic trends of India as a tool. And 29, we'll talking about home loan insurance story. In session 30, we will be talking about capital need analysis. So here I would be, take another opportunity to show you what is a capital need analysis. This is a concept. We go to the customer and I'm going to, give you this particular letter and this tool in both the language, English and Hindi. So you would be going and showing this tool to the customer and make the customer read it. The moment the customer reads it, he would understand that this is the capital needs of the family and these are the capital needs of the future of the family. And there is a gap between the two. That analysis you would be in a position to do in front of the prospect. And as a result, you would be in a position to close the customer for a big sale. Is in session number 31, we will be talking about preparing the will. So in the initial 5 minutes of the program today, I was talking about, fixing up a will. I was talking about Uttam as a customer and talking about will. So how to do that, you will learn here. In session number 32, you will learn about wealth protection as a concept. Number 33, you will talk about uncertainties of life. Number 34, Titanic story. Number 35, overcoming the term policy challenge. And in 36, we're talking about convincing unmarried professionals, how to convince them. So there are thousands and millions of youngsters who are not married, but they earn between 50,000 a month to even 20 lakhs a month. And they don't know what to do with this money. And they end up, spoiling their career and, not saving a single penny. So in order to talk to this kind of customers, you need to have a different strategy. You cannot simply go and say, sir, give me an insurance policy. So that should not be the way. So how to convince the customers, unmarried professionals, we will be learning there. So 2037, we'll talk about professional proposal. So I'm going to introduce you something called a professional proposal. Okay, I don't have it. Okay, how to create a professional proposal is a concept. So that is something that we'll be talking about. And in session number 38, we'll be talking about 5 levels of insurance selling, right? So insurance agent, insurance advisor, financial consultant, wealth advisor, and life advisor. So who are you and what would you like to become and what is the difference at the end of the 5 levels? We'll talk about that. And session number 39, we'll talk about follow-up, and 40 we'll talk about procedures for follow-up, and 41 we'll talk about closing the policy, and 42 we'll talk about closing stories, and 43 we will talk about the 11th minute philosophy, and 44 wealth accumulation strategy, 45 will be servicing attitude, session 46 would be MDRT mindset or COT/TOT mindset, and 47 onwards we'll talk about following up with the customer without losing dignity, and session 48 will talk about time management, 49 will talk about selling multiple times to the same customer. So you should be in a position to sell minimum 8 times over the next 20 years to the same customer. And how to do that, we'll be talking about that. And last and final session, we'll talk about how do you become a life advisor. So this is the 50 sessions in a nutshell. Quickly, I attempted to give you. It's a huge program. It's an injustice to attempt to explain everything in very short, but that's what the challenge we have. We need to understand it's a huge program. Every week, 1 hour, 50 hours, we are going to learn in this program. So the rules of the training program, and this is the most important part of it. Rule number 1, this program is specially designed for insurance industry. So in this program, I require all of you to be insurance agents, LIC agents or insurance agents is okay. Number 2 is wearing a suit in all the sessions is compulsory. So if you are not willing to wear a suit, I recommend don't join the program. Wearing a suit from day 1, whole year, I want you to become a professional. So that is second compulsory. If you don't have a suit, buy a suit. Number 3, keeping the video on. The whole program is another compulsory. It must be on. You cannot keep it on off mode, video of the camera. It's going to be the Zoom platform we'll be going to be conducting the program. Number 4, participating during the breakout sessions is compulsory. We are going to have a lot of activities during the class inside, and you are all going to be put up in different rooms. So in this online training also, we are going to have rooms. In each room, in your mobile or in your laptop, you will have 3 to 4 people only, and you will have to be talking to each other continuously. That is called participating in the breakout session. Acha, by the way, this program is also going to be available online, and the recording of the program would be available at rajeshtago.com. That is my name, rajeshtago.com. And per session, the recording cost would be 236 rupees. That is 200 rupees plus 36 rupees. So you can repeatedly see the same program again and again to master the skill. And this would be available the following, not immediately, following Wednesday at rajeshtago.com. By the way, the course material, every week we are going to give you in the PDF format, and this would be available for download at my website, that is rajeshtago.com. And now last and most important thing is the course fee. The course fee for this whole year program, 50 sessions, is 10,000 plus GST. That comes out to 11,000 GST. Okay, your registration can be done at rajeshtago.com, or you can contact your development officer, or you can contact this number 98201 57787 for further details. So that brings me to the end of the program, and they are going to, it's 7:52. I wanted to finish by 7:50, so I overshoot by 2 minutes, but we are going to have a 10 minutes of question answer. Any one of you have any question, you can ask me. You have to, wave your hands to make yourself, whoever wants to keep your video cameras on, number 1. And number 2, show me your hands like this. Then I will allow you to be unmuted and you can ask a question. Discount and installment scheme, you can talk to your development officer. So Ravi Babu and Ravi Babu is the first one. You can unmute and ask. So QCM BTD. If you can tell me your name, you will be the next one. You can also unmute. Ravi Babu, you have to unmute yourself. I have given you permission. Unmute, yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Great morning.
My name is Ravi Babu. and I will calling from Andhra Pradesh in Rajahmundry.
Yeah. What is your question?
Question is, actually I will mind it, and next time I will prepare to, I will next class I will ask.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Any other person? That QCOMBTD. You wanted to ask a question. Do you want to ask a question now? Anybody else who wants to ask a question? Just wave your hands because I cannot see all of you at the same time. Okay, Ramanathan. Unmute yourself and talk, Mr. Ramanathan. Yes, Mr. Ramanathan.
Very good morning, Rajesh Agur.
Great morning.
It's an interesting program, but the whole thing is, for 52 weeks, you are going to engage us on Monday, every Monday.
Yeah.
Will it not be the whole year? I'll be only learning.
Yeah.
You cannot shift this system instead of 52 weeks continuously doing it. I'll be attending to no other work excepting this program, particularly right in the morning. Just like today, I made it a point to come and attend your session, hear what you say. I will do it every Monday. Will it not be quite time-consuming for me to attend to this? Your program is extremely good. I know your demonstration of kits and demonstration of visuals are very, very important, very nice. I have got some of your kits also, but then the whole thing will it not be concise? Twice in a month like that, special days, right? So that I can more number of time, 2 hours or 3 hours like that. Can you not increase it so that the time does not run away?
Yeah, so what you're asking is why only a weekly program? Can you not do it for 3 hours every alternative week is the question that you're asking.
Correct.
No, I am here to tell you that I've been doing training programs for 20 years now. And for 20 years, I've been doing 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, full day, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day kind of programs. So those programs are as it is going to continue. Apart from those programs, this is an additional program. Now, this program has only one major intention, that is to give you continuous input and continuous education. So that is what it is attempting at. So what we are going to do is we are going to give you 1 hour of capsule, motivation, education, new information, new strategy, new idea every Monday morning. Yeah, we could have done it on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. We could have done it anytime, but we decided to do it in the morning so that it remains fresh for the whole week. Okay, Mr. Ramanathan?
Morning is right, but then that is one part of it.
Yeah.
It will be very convenient for me if I have alternate weeks. One, that is my convenience. Your method is different. Okay. 2 is you have got a lot of presentation articles like tools, kits like that. Do we have to acquire those tools?
Yeah. So I'm going to be teaching you about different tools and applications of different tools. So insurance selling is a vast subject. It's not a small subject. And through this program, I would like you to learn a lot of ideas. Now, acquiring those tools or creating those tools yourself at your home would be your own personal choice, Mr. Swaminathan. My idea would be to give you that idea, that value. Mr. Ramanathan? Yeah.
I already have a tool like this, what you showed me, a tool like this.
Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful.
But then the whole thing is, I'll have to acquire a lot of other tools also. What will be the most important things that I'll have to acquire before presenting the customer in person?
Right. Correct. So number one, number 2 is continuity of work. Right. So these are the 2 things we are going to be attempting to impart in this training program.
There are only 2 points for me. One is bi-monthly will be very convenient for me.
Yeah.
I don't know about others. I don't know about your method of teaching. 1.
Yeah.
2 is having. Certainly, I would like to acquire these tools. They are very, very visual tools. Are very. So
this program is not about tools. This program is about 1 hour in the morning. Tools would be secondary. I would also be using tools to explain you. Okay, so this
I-
program
I
is not a
also-
tools program. This
I
program is
also would like to acquire the tools so that
Yeah.
when I go and present to the customer, I can use these tools in an
Yeah.
effective way. In fact, I have used your this book in a very
one of
effective
the book
manner
you
to
have.
get-
I have created totally 187 tools in my life so far, and you are just having one. And out of 187, more than 80 are for LIC and insurance industry. So I would be showing a few of them in this program so that you get benefited out of this. So
With this
your
one-
idea of having it alternative once, alternative week or fortnightly is good, but this is a decision that we have taken, Mr. Ramanathan, to make it weekly affair. Okay, Mr. Ramanathan? Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
In fact, with this one tool, I was able to get 3 big premiums, about 10 lakh or 15 lakh, things like that. But then
Excellent.
I
I'm
kept
proud
these
of you.
prices.
I'm
Thank you.
proud of you with this one tool.
With this just one
Actually,
tool,
Mr. Ramanathan, that is the idea. You know, people who used it, how many customers have you shown this tool to so far?
about 20 to 30 people.
Yes. When did you buy this tool?
6 or 7 or even 8 years back. When you first...
So 8 years back, you purchased a tool, Mr. Ramanathan. In 8 years, you showed it to 20, 30 people.
Yeah. Only
Okay.
the big
And you
people,
got more
big
3
selling,
customers
big
with
tickets.
10 lakhs premium.
Yeah, yeah.
This program is going to increase that, showing the tool customers to more than 1,000 customers, 500 customers every year. So this is going to focus on execution. So this program will help you show the presentation to more the number of customers.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you for attending me.
Yeah, any other person, if you want to ask a question, we have got 2 more minutes. Vijay Dash. Yes, Mr. Vijay Dash. Unmute yourself, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Great morning, sir.
Sir, 11 of my agents already booked in Hindi session,
Right,
and
sir.
today's session definitely impact on them.
Right, sir.
And yesterday there was a meeting of my team of 70 agents. I declared the things already, and today many more agents will book the program through me,
Sir.
and definitely it will help.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
After
11 of your
briefing-
agents have
Already
already
booked.
paid money and enrolled for the program. That's what
Okay,
Mr.
okay,
Vijay-
sir. And
Congratulations.
I have also paid for English session, sir.
Excellent, excellent, sir. So you are also coming and enrolling this program. So congratulations, Mr. Vijay
Yes.
Das. Great job, sir. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So Mr. Vijay Das is an SBA from Balangir, Orissa. He and 11 of his advisors agents have already enrolled for the program. That's what he's saying. Mr. Uttam, unmute yourself, sir.
Hello.
From Raiganj,
Good morning,
yes,
sir.
SBA. Yes, Mr. Uttam.
Sir, I want to purchase your tools. Can you give me the details?
I mean, you have been attending my training program for the last 5 months every week now. I have never showed you these tools because that did not require that. So all these tools are given in different training programs.
Yes, sir.
And definitely when you attend these programs, every program has a different tool. So a Brahmastra training program, which is a life-changing program, in that program we provide 7 to 8 tools. So in the Vision TOT program, we provide some other tools. So this training program is not a program to give you tools, but this program is getting aimed to ensure continuity of effort in your life, sir. So you can definitely purchase this tool. So
Sir,
when
I
you
want to
attend the
purchase,
physical training program, you would be in a position to purchase. Or whenever we launch these tools for sale, you can purchase, Mr. Uttam.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I convince my 50 agents to join this program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And congratulations. Great
I
job.
want to make your payment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wonderful,
Okay.
wonderful. Yes,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Great job.
Okay.
Yeah, one more last question we can take on, then we can wind up. If any one of you. Venkateshan Srinivasan. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, very good morning.
Great
Wonderful.
morning, Mr.
Transformation session is going to start, and entire my team as well as in Hyderabad, I have spread this message to many of the forums. So everyone is going to be benefited in 2021. It is exceptionally wonderful year of transformation through you. Thank you really for your greatest efforts. That 52 bullet points for the 52 weeks, 50 weeks is something marvelous. And at least 10 places I personally shown to the agents and told them these are all the things we should have always with us, so that it is a lifetime achievements are possible. We can grow great. So many of my close friends, I told them, now it is a time to join this program, and many of us will be joined.
Excellent, excellent. I'm proud of you, Mr. Venkatesan
Thank you
Srinivasan.
really for your greatest efforts.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for kind words. My ultimate idea is to, this ultimate aim of this program is to bring continuity and professionalism in effort among the agent. And that is what this program is going to aim to achieve. Thank you so much. It's already 8:05 now. We have overtaken 5 more minutes. Thank you so much for your patience. Thanks for coming early in the morning for attending this program. We have 335 people even now. So have wonderful life, wonderful success, great success. And last and final, kindly recommend other friends of yours so that the whole country, the whole institution can become extremely professional and get benefited out of this. Thank you so much.
Right.
We all need to leave the room for ensuring that the next batch of people can come for the same program. So thank you so much. You can also come and attend the Hindi session. I'm ending the meeting. Thank you.